When it comes to vehicles inventions, innovation never comes to a complete stop. Every single year, designers and engineers push the boundaries of creativity, shaping machines that look, move, and operate as if they belong inside a science fiction movie. From futuristic personal rides and mind-twisting concept cars to extreme off-road beasts and next-level flying machines, these creations are far more than simple transportation. They stand as pure expressions of creativity and engineering brilliance. So, buckle up, because we are about to dive into some of the coolest, craziest, and most jaw-dropping vehicles that will absolutely blow your mind. The ZOX 4. The newly designed roof on the ZOX 4 increases its appeal instantly. Suddenly, your ride remains protected from rain, wind, and even harsh cold conditions. Yet, you still have the option to open a front viewing flap whenever you need it. The base ZOX 4 comes equipped with strong components, a 3x8 gear setup, linked braking system, dual rear wheels, one driven and one free, a steel frame, raised seat height, and excellent overall build quality. While it feels heavy and is not built for racing, cruising at around 20 to 25 km/h delivers pure comfort. If the standard version starts at roughly €5,000 to €6,000, depending on selected options, adding this roof likely increases the price a little. For what you get in return, it is absolutely worth it. eHang VT35. The eHang VT35 feels like a direct glimpse into the future. A sleek, pilotless electric aircraft designed not only for cities, but also for intercity travel. Blending ambition with quiet confidence through tandem wings, 8 lift propellers, and a rear pusher motor, it performs vertical takeoff before shifting into efficient cruising. Its fully loaded range reaches about 200 kilometers, approximately 124 miles at cruise speeds of up to around 216 km/h, approximately 134 miles per hour while carrying 2 people and supporting a maximum takeoff weight of 950 kilograms. The cabin feels minimal yet refined, featuring a touchscreen interface and full autonomous capability. Pricing in China for the standard version is 6.5 million renminbi, roughly equal to $900,000. Meilon Daily Delica Mini Midi Pile. The Meilon Daily feels like a clever fusion between a cargo bike and a light electric vehicle, designed to transport 2 adults plus 2 children on regular roads. Tarmac grade 1 or 2, with 3 wheels, 2 at the front and 1 at the rear, and a total weight of 120 kilograms, including an 11 kilograms battery. It is powered by a 250 watts electric motor combined with pedal assist, reaching a maximum assist speed of 25 kilometers per hour. On a full charge, it offers around 50 kilometers of range. Its modular trunk provides 300 liters, or up to 250 kilograms of cargo. Built with a combination of aluminum and steel, equipped with disc brakes, drive-by-wire, and steering wheel control, it feels compact and highly practical. Regarding price, no confirmed figure is available yet, as it seems to remain a specialty boutique offering. Delica Mini. The Delica Mini surprises within its small car class. Combining rugged styling with clever practicality, it feels like a mini adventurer built by Mitsu that still fits narrow city roads. It is powered by a 659-centimeter 3-cylinder engine, either naturally aspirated at around 52 horsepower and 60 newton meters, or turbocharged at approximately 64 horsepower and 100 newton meters, paired with a CVT transmission and available in front-wheel drive or full-time 8-0. Its dimensions measure 3,395 millimeters long, 1,075 millimeters wide, and 1,800 millimeters tall, featuring sliding doors, adaptive LED lighting, and stain-resistant interior fabrics. It is charmingly useful. Pricing in Japan starts at approximately 1,840,000 yen, rising to around 2,038,500 yen, depending on trim levels. The Midi Pile feels like a breath of fresh air for urban delivery. It is compact, clever, and consciously designed for last-mile logistics. This quadrupod electric utility vehicle comes in several body styles, including plateau and pickup, and can carry up to 300 kilograms of cargo with a volume of about 1 cubic meter. Yet its footprint remains just around 3 meters long, 1 meter wide, and 1.6 meters tall. It is powered by electric pedal assist, reaching speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour and claiming around 100 kilometers of autonomy. Noise is low, visibility is good, and the design is practical. Starting price is approximately €15,500 for the base version. While not a full car, for city centers, campuses, or farms, it feels like exactly the right tool. ZOX 4 Cargo. The ZOX 4 Cargo is an intriguing quadricycle that combines practicality with quirky engineering in a package that is impossible to ignore. With a seat height of 43 centimeters, bottom bracket at 36 centimeters, and 20-inch high-pressure wheels, it steers and rides unlike anything else. Its divisible steel frame, adjustable seat and backrest, total length of 2.60 meter, width of 0.98 meters, and compact wheelbase make it surprisingly maneuverable. It weighs approximately 39 kilograms, including the motor, uses rear-wheel drive that is partially encapsulated, and features rear disc brakes plus hydraulic-coupled drum brakes in the front. On Zox's website, the base ZOX4 with 20-inch wheels is priced at €5,190, with the cargo option, extra seat, or aluminum cargo tray adding €1,590. Vox S e-bike. The Vox S feels like a complete rethink of what a cargo bike can be. Spacious, sturdy, and intelligently designed for businesses needing to transport items without relying on vans. Its 420 L of cargo space and 120 kilograms payload make it impressively capable, yet it still fits within bike lanes and avoids licensing complexities. The drivetrain features a 4-drive setup with no chain wear and includes regenerative braking, EABS, and swappable batteries, demonstrating that the tech is ready for long urban hauls. The motor is limited to 250 watts with a top speed around 25 kilometers per hour. Range is approximately 50 kilometers on a single battery with an optional dual battery for longer journeys. The Vox S starts at 9,990 pounds plus VAT, roughly 10,000 pounds depending on the country. Mubea U-Mobility. The Mubea U-Mobility Cargo feels like a distillation of the best aspects of automotive technology into a nimble, rugged last-mile hauler with real promise. It rides confidently, carries well, and lets users glide past traffic quietly. It is a 4-wheeled pedal vehicle with a gross vehicle weight up to 600 kilograms, payload around 200 kilograms, and a box volume up to 2,000 elors. Electrically assisted up to 25 kilometers per hour, it includes a push assist for low speeds and even a reverse gear. Batteries are swappable with 2 slots of roughly 1,440 watts each, giving around 50 kilometers range. With strong brakes, suspension, automotive-grade aluminum frame, and well-thought-out design, it feels built to last. Pricing starts around $11,589 for simpler versions, going up to $15,000 to $16,000 for more equipped models. Stark Varg SM. The Stark Varg SM bursts into the street supermotor scene like a thunderbolt. Wild, sleek, and extremely responsive. Weighing only 274.5 pounds, it feels feather-light, but the instant torque of 914 newton-meters to the rear wheel and up to 80 horsepower in the Alpha model propels you off the line rapidly. Its 7.2 kilowatt-hours magnesium battery also serves as part of the chassis, providing stiff handling and balance, with a real-world range of around 81 kilometers. In city mode, it lasts longer, recharging in under 2 hours using a 3.3 kilowatt portable charger. Suspension features premium KYB 48mm closed cartridge forks with 290mm travel, a 303mm rear shock, and Brembo brakes at both ends, delivering excellent stopping power. Prices start at $12,900 for the 60-horsepower standard model, rising to $13,900 for the 80-horsepower Alpha. Tesway X9 AWD. The Tesway X9 ADD is a powerhouse e-bike that makes no effort to be subtle. Dual motors deliver 4,000 peak power and 240 newton-meters torque, making it fierce whether climbing hills or tearing through trails. Powered by a 48-volt 30-hour Samsung battery, it offers up to 120 miles of range under ideal conditions. Equipped with big 26 in-by-4 fat tires, full suspension, and hydraulic 4-piston disc brakes front and rear, it handles rough terrain and stops sharply. Price in the UK is approximately £599 and around $1,799 in the US for the AWD version. Overland AI. The Ultra by Overland AI feels like science fiction turned real, an autonomous tactical ground vehicle built for danger rather than comfort, yet it excels at both. It hauls over 1,000 pounds of payload, reaches a top speed of 35 miles per hour, and achieves a cruising range of about 100 miles, even in harsh off-road or GPS-denied environments. Its size measures roughly 3.94 meter long, 1.83 meters wide, and 1.52 meters tall, with 36.8 centimeters ground clearance and rugged suspension, allowing it to climb, crawl, and endure. It runs on overdrive software with the Spark hardware platform, managing modular mission payloads from ISR to resupply. Quad Velo Winter Test. The Quad Velo Winter Test is an inspired hybrid between an e-bike and a microcar, designed to handle the harshest winter conditions. Its enclosed cabin, optional doors, and windshield defogger make snow and sleet much less of a challenge. Powered by a ZFSA X RS 925 motor, producing about 112 Newton-meters of torque, it combines pedal assist up to 25 kilometers per hour with a 48-volt, 17-hour, 814 battery, providing up to 75 kilometers per charge. 4 20-inch puncture-proof wheels, hydraulic or drum brakes, and a solid load capacity of 200 kilograms make it highly practical. The starting price in Europe for the basic version is €9,900. Foilone Pegasus. The Foilone Pegasus feels like piloting a fighter jet combined with a classic race car, only above water. Constructed entirely from carbon fiber, this single-rider hydrofoil is powered by an 18.8 kilowatts electric motor with 2 X5 kilowatt-hours torpedo batteries, allowing over 2 hours of smooth cruising. It lifts onto its foils at about 10 knots, cruises between 18 and 22 knots, and can reach up to 30 knots when leaned into. With a full weight of 200 kilograms or 128 kilograms without batteries, it is remarkably light and agile. Prices start at approximately €139,900, rising to around €150,500 for a fully equipped model, including batteries and a fast charger. MIA4. The MIA4 blends scooter-like agility with ATV toughness. Featuring 4 wheels, leaning dynamics, and serious off-road capabilities, it comes in a compact design. The base X2 version delivers around 3,600 watt peak power, while the stronger X4 model reaches roughly 7,200 watts using a swappable 60-volt 35Ah battery. Top speed can reach approximately 45 miles per hour, with the X4 capable of up to 75 miles on a full charge under ideal conditions. Hydraulic disc brakes are fitted front and rear, with 14 to 15-inch tires suitable for indoor or outdoor use. It weighs about 50 kilograms, with a load capacity near 130 kilograms. Price for the X4 is around $7,950 to $7,495 depending on the region. Arcimoto FUV. The Arcimoto FUV drives unlike anything else. Part electric trike, part everyday utility, and full of personality. With 2 seats in tandem and 3 wheels, 2 at the front and 1 at the rear, it offers roughly 100 city miles of range, a top speed of about 75 miles per hour, and efficiency close to 173.7 mpge in urban driving. It comes with heated seats and grips, removable half doors, Bluetooth speakers, and a lockable rear cargo box. Pricing starts at $19,900 for the base FUV Evergreen Edition, before optional accessories and upgrades. While not perfect, its open-air design exposes you to weather, and charging times can be long. It provides serious fun for errands or urban cruising. Acticycle. The Acticycle feels like a rickshaw transformed into a vision of mobility. Quirky, efficient, and built for 2. It is a 4-wheeled electric vehicle with a roof, windshield, and a 170-liter lockable trunk, seating 2 adults or 1 adult plus 2 children, while maintaining an empty weight of approximately 100 kilograms and a maximum load up to 300 kilograms. Versions come with a 250-watt motor for 25 kilometers per hour, a 750-watt model for higher speeds, and even a 4,000-watt top specification. Range varies from 40 to 80 kilometers depending on battery size and terrain. The removable battery is 48 volts. Pricing starts at €11,900 for the 250 Bell model, rising to €14,400 for the high-end version. Vigos. The Vigos acts as a bridge between a bicycle and a car, lightweight, fully enclosed, yet providing sufficient power for an exhilarating ride. It is a 3-wheeled vehicle powered by a 22 kilowatt-hour battery, offering around 160 kilometers of range and a top speed of 120 kilometers per hour. Pedal assistance is provided via a PERS, pedal energy recovery system, that converts pedaling effort into electric power. The cabin seats 2 in tandem with safety belts, has a fully enclosed cabin, and even includes an open cargo area. Liquid Skateboard. The Liquid Skateboard feels like skateboarding reduced to its essence, only enhanced. No remote control is needed, just your foot and flow. It features a 300-watt hub motor, a 36-volt 90-watt-hour removable battery, and a top-assisted speed of 22 kilometers per hour, providing around 10 to 12 kilometers of range per charge. Lightweight at approximately 4.88 kilograms, it uses high-rebound 75mm 78A wheels and offers IP65 water resistance. It rides like a street-friendly cruiser with soul. The price in Europe is €499, reflecting a premium for its minimal technology and raw riding experience. 2026 CF Moto Papio SS. The 2026 CF Moto Papio SS attracts attention with its retro mini street charm. Beneath its playful styling lies real engineering. It is powered by a 126 cm air-cooled single-cylinder motor, delivering 9.4 horsepower at 8,250 RPM, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. Weighing about 114 to 117 kilograms, it has a slim footprint and a 7.2-liter fuel tank. Braking is managed via hydraulic discs front and rear, while suspension includes an inverted fork at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. Pricing starts at $3,299 MSRP in many markets. 2025 Electrum LEV. The 2025 Electrum LEV combines bike and micromobility innovation. Slim, recumbent, and built for efficiency, it measures roughly 277 centimeters long by 66 centimeters wide and weighs 57 kilograms with one battery, or 70 kilograms with two. It is capped at 65 kilometers per hour to comply with regulations and offers up to 200 kilometers range at approximately 32 kilometers per hour under ideal conditions. The frame is aluminum with carbon fiberglass fairings, hydraulic disc brakes, and a dual drive system that optimizes pedaling effort. The base 2026 model kit is quoted at $12,750 CAD, while the deluxe version with two motors and batteries is approximately $15,500 CAD.